Hey guys, went and got a new battery and do a review on it. It is an awanfi 3S LiPo, 11.1 volt, 1500 milliamp, 100C. LiPo battery with a XT60 plug for RC cars, boat, FPV, drone, helicopter, and the axial capria. So these will fit in there perfect if that's what you want. So here's the opening. You got some nice stickers from awanfi. They always give you a couple little stickers and you're not happy and happy. So you can email them, submit online return forms if you're having a bad battery. They pretty much back their batteries. So, and I've never had a problem with theirs. So, and there's the battery in the box. Just shows you. It kind of got rubbed off. So, but this was on Amazon. I like the 100C. I'm gonna put it in my crawler. It's just set up. So this is your instructions and warnings. It's a whole bunch of different languages. You got, I don't know what language that is, and you got English, and then on the other side, looks like you have language there, so that's good. Then the battery. Ta-da! So it comes with a Velcro strap, which is awesome because you can never have too many of those. They're always good for your battery, your camera, your all sorts of things. It does come with the XT60, which is cool because that's what I run on my crawlers. It is a 3-cell, and it has a nice big plug here to hold on to, which is awesome. And it is a soft pack, but it's nice. It's nice and solid. So, all right, that looks good. 1500 milliamp, 3S, 11.1 volt, 100C. It's a nice battery, nice and stock, nice and small is what I want. Look, it's thick but small. So this should fit right in my crawler. So here's my crawler, and I'm going to put it right up in here in front. I put the small battery on it. This is the. You probably have to do a little bit of adjustment on it, but. See, that's perfect in there. Nice. It'll fit in there good. I'll probably put some Velcro on the bottom of that. So there. But I'm not gonna plug it in. We'll see if it's see what the balance is. Get in there nice and good. I know that's gonna be hard to see on 11.6. 3.81, 3.80, 11.4, 3.82, 3.81, 3.80. So yeah, this, you know, these little things aren't the best in the world, but it's pretty close. So that's pretty well balanced to me, because the balance charger, when you charge it, that'll balance right up. So it's in a good storage charge when it comes to you.